Hello and welcome to the first episode of Ferments. This is going to be kind of an introduction video to my channel. Here I do all sorts of homebrew and fermentation stuff. Right now I've got cider, mead, and kombucha going, so I'm going to touch a little bit on all of that. And then we'll be racking it if it's ready. So let's get started. Afloat. One more should do it. There we go. So we started this cider at a 1.040 and we are fully fermented down to 1.000. So that should give us about a, okay, 0.998. So I'll do the calculations on that, but it should be around a 5 to 6%, 5 to 5.5, somewhere's in there. But I'm pretty happy with that. And we'll give it a little sample. See how it's tasting so far. And since I sanitized this, I can pour the rest right back into the vessel. On the nose, I do get a little bit of apple, but mostly that boozy smell. It's definitely young, but it has a lot of potential. And I sanitized this as well. But now we are going to transfer this into a bucket so that we can put it into bottles, because I have a spout on my bucket. Alright, so now we're ready to transfer our cider into our bucket. And this has a spigot, so it's a lot easier to bottle. So we're going to start that now. Alright, so now it's time to add our priming sugar. We're going to be adding 151.4 grams of table sugar to our 5 gallons of cider, which should bring us to about 3 volumes of CO2. So that should have a nice level of carbonation, might even have a good head, so we'll see how it goes. And while I am mixing this up, it's also going to degas it, which is a good thing. That should be good mixed. Now I'm gonna go grab the bottles. All right, we've got our bottles, we've got our bucket, we've got our sanitized caps and our capper. Time to start bottling. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love. The wait is over. It is time to try our cider. So this has been bottle conditioning for 2 weeks. Then I put it in the fridge, and now I'm gonna pour it into a frosted glass and see how it is, man. Beautiful. Look at that. Well, I'd call that a stunning success. Let's try it. Oh, that's crisp. That is absolutely incredible.
I'm really happy with this, how this turned out, and stay tuned for the next video where I'll be making an apple pie cider, and I'll be kegging that one, so stay tuned. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.